Olga Larnaudie, I live in French Alpes and I'm a natural cosmetics formulator. Here on my channel I share my recipes and my ideas and show step by step how you can make your own cosmetic products at home. If you want to make your beauty routine a little bit greener and safer, don't forget to subscribe. I want to show you how to make this beautiful duo: solid shampoo bar and solid conditioning bar. If you really want to make high quality shampoo bar and conditioning bar, you're going to need professional cosmetic ingredients. Don't be scared, because today almost in every country we have websites that sell such ingredients on a small scale, and I'm going to leave you all the useful links in the text box below this video. Okay, let's make our shampoo, and first our tools and ingredients. You're going to need a precise weight scale. You're also going to need some kind of recipient. It has to be heat proof because we're going to put it on a water bath. You also need a protection mask because surfactants, it's small powder which might be very irritating, so you have to protect yourself. And protection gloves, as usual when we work with cosmetic ingredients. Now let's talk about the ingredients. First, I'm going to show you my surfactants. We're going to use 3 different surfactants to make our shampoo bar. Our first surfactant, the one that we're going to use today to make our shampoo bar, is sodium cocoa sulfate. It is a nice surfactant. It comes in powder like this, and it is rather irritating, so don't forget to put your mask on. And our second surfactant is SCI, or sodium cocoa isocyanate. It is very mild surfactant, and it cleans very gently, and it makes our shampoo bar very mild. Our next ingredient is cetearyl alcohol, and we need it to keep our shampoo bar solid. Our next ingredient, the ingredient that we're going to use, it is a mild surfactant, cocamidopropyl betaine. It is a mild surfactant. It cleans your skin and your hair very gently in a non-irritating way, and it provides good foam. And I'm also going to use cocoa butter. I have unrefined cocoa butter, which has a nice smell of white chocolate. I'm also going to add natural apple vinegar. You can actually use whatever vinegar you can find. This ingredient will help to lower the pH of our shampoo bars, and it will help to take care of our hair. Our next ingredient, it is a green French clay. It will help to keep our bar solid. It will provide our bar with nice greenish tint. You can take different type of clays. I'm also going to add a preservative. Our shampoo bar is solid, so you actually don't really need to preserve it. But when we use our shampoo bar, it comes in contact with water, and if it does not dry out completely between different usages, it might be contaminated. That is why I'm going to add the preservative just in case. I'm using the preservative which is not sensible to different pH and which is oil soluble. You're gonna find all the information about the ingredients I'm using and all the useful links in the text box below this video. I'm also going to add the silk proteins to my shampoo bar. It is a conditioning ingredient, so it will help to keep our hair nice and shiny. And I'm going to add 2 essential oils, lemon essential oil and rosemary essential oil, which will provide our shampoo bar with nice herbal, fresh aroma. And while my surfactants are melting, I'm going to weight my other ingredients. is our surfactants and oils all melted. You can see we can still see the texture, because as I told you, the surfactants will not dissolve completely, so we're gonna see the grains of our surfactants, but we are good to go. We're gonna have to move fast, and first I'm going to add my powders, then I'm gonna mix in my vinegar, and the last I'm gonna mix in our heat sensitive ingredients, our active ingredients and my essential oils. Now, as soon as you add vinegar, the texture of your mixture will become all weird. Just continue to rub it gently and mix it very gently. At one point you're gonna see that it becomes homogeneous again. And now I'm gonna take the temperature of my mixture, because I need to make sure it below 60 degrees Celsius, because otherwise I cannot add my proteins. Now it's around 40 degrees, so I'm good to go. Now I'm gonna put it in my fridge for maybe, I don't know, 30 minutes, and then I'm gonna release it from the mold and let it air dry for several days. Now it is very important to let your shampoo bar to dry out completely. It can take a while, up to 7 days. Don't rush. It should be like a stone, like really completely solid. Okay, let's talk about the ingredients of our solid conditioning bar. We're going to use our conditioning emulsifier, BTMS. It helps to detangle our hair, it helps to soften it. We're going to use again cetyl alcohol. It is a nature-derived ingredient, cosmetic ingredient allowed in certified biocosmetics, and it will help to keep our bar solid. Oils, we're going to use two different types of oils. I'm going to use virgin avocado oil. It is a great ingredient for dry or damaged hair, and I'm going to use a fractionated coconut oil or MST oil, and it is a lightweight oil which will not weight down our hair. I'm also going to add a little bit of lemon extract. This is a glycerin based lemon extract which will help to make our hair shiny. I'm also going to add my preservative. It is the same preservative, oil soluble preservative, which will help to protect our bar from contamination. And I'm going to use the same essential oils, rosemary and lemon essential oil, to keep in line with my shampoo bar. And I'm also going to add a little bit of green mineral mica to add a greenish tint to my conditioning solid bar. Now I'm going to take the recipient, the one that I can put in a water bath, and I'm going to weight my conditioning emulsifier, my cetyl alcohol and my oils, and I'm going to put it on water bath and melt it down. I'm not going to add my avocado oil now, I'm going to add it later because it's heat sensitive, and those are ingredients that are not heat sensitive, so I can actually put it in a water bath and heat it and melt it down. I need everything to melt down completely, and because I need to get a homogeneous liquid here. And while my ingredients are melting, I'm going to weight my other ingredients. I'm going to weight my preservative, my active ingredients and my essential oils. Those are my active ingredients. Here I have my extract, my essential oils and my avocado oil, and this is my preservative all ready. And now I'm going to check my waxes. Okay. Those are our ingredients. Now I have to cool it down a little bit, and then when the temperature drops below 60 degrees Celsius, we're going to add our heat-sensitive ingredient, and then we're going to pour it into silicone mold. On this stage, I'm going to add a little bit of green mineral mica. Okay, 62. Now I'm gonna drop my active ingredients, because it will be impossible to mix it in evenly when the mixture is completely solid. So I'm gonna do it now. And now we're gonna pour it into silicone mold right next to our shampoo bar. Now I'm gonna put it into the fridge for maybe 30 minutes and just wait till it's completely solid. Then I'm gonna take it out of the mold and let it air dry for 2 days, maybe 3. That's it, your shampoo bar and your conditioner bar are completely ready. Now you can pack it and give it as a gift. Thanks for watching this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet, and see you next time. Au revoir!